So the Moab Celtic Festival, we chose Moab because one, it's a great big beautiful outdoor area, major recreation. You've got Arches National Park and Dead Horse Point, just to name a couple items. The Red Rocks, right behind where we're going to do this festival, just enhance the landscape. And as you look at the landscape in the Red Rocks down in the Moab area, it's a perfect opportunity to kind of put it towards Scotland and the Highlands of Scotland and how rugged and that is. One of our biggest reasons putting it down there is it's somewhere that hasn't been done before, beautiful outdoor setting, and we're going with many of the pipe bands in the Four Corners area, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico area is what we're after. And just one of the best outdoor facilities that we could come up with to exemplify what the Highland Games are all about.